Benefits of teaching children to appreciate nature. Nature helps promote imagination and creativity. Studies have shown that kids who play outside are smarter, happier, and less anxious. Being outside gets kids moving and active. Playing in nature can help build confidence. Nature can stimulate all five senses. Nature can teach responsibility. Get outside and let your child be surrounded by the beauties of nature. Similarly, to learn parenting tips in some interesting ways daily. Subscribe now www.11minutesdaily.com. Thanks for watching.